Hello, baby. You want to talk to mommy? Huh? Oh, you want to talk to mommy? You say hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Baby, baby, look at me, baby. Baby, where are you looking? Oh, say hello to Lola. Lola. Hello, Lola. Say hello to Nana. Hello, Nana. How are you? Baby, look at me, baby. Baby girl. Baby girl. Say hello, hello, Philippines. Hello, Philippines. Oh, Kuya is studying his lesson. Can you hear him? Oh. Maybe you call Lolo. Lolo. Lolo Benny. Lola Oya. Hello. I'm already a big girl. Say hello, Nana and Papa. I can talk now. I can talk now, Nana and Papa. Hello. You always want to talk, no? Hello, my cousins in the Philippines. Arabella. Arabella. Smile, baby. Smile. Smile. Smile, baby girl. Bye-bye. See you next time.